They call it the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X. And in this video, it's already open. So let's get it out of the box. This is something that I've been looking forward to reviewing. I've had a lot of comments on the channel about wanting to see this laptop from me, and finally Lenovo had one available and they sent one over. So this is a 14-inch laptop. It comes with a Ryzen 9 6900HS and an RTX 3050. Now, this is a 100-watt charger block. So this is telling me that this is, more of a mid-tier performance laptop. If it was more of their upper tier, it would either be a 180, a 200, or a 230-watt charger block. So I'm guessing that this laptop should be good for some 4K video editing, graphic design work, digital art, and the like. However, if you're thinking 6K video editing or 3D modeling, this would not be the laptop that I would be thinking would serve your needs. However, I'm looking forward to the small form factor and great battery life that a 6900HS processor would provide us. I'm gonna be pulling this laptop out of the sleeve. I like the thin and light build quality. It has a nice aluminum top cover, bottom cover, sneak preview, and keyboard deck. Cool. We'll save that for just a few minutes. So overall, I'm liking this build quality. It's a much more professional look. It's not very much a gamer laptop. To me, this is really the on-the-go 4K video editor, graphic designer, photographer, digital artist. Let's go ahead and pull the weight and thickness up there on the screen if we haven't already. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out the ports before I go on and check out the build quality of this laptop. So on the left side panel, we have two USB Type-Cs and a USB Type-A. On the right side panel, we have our power button. We have a USB Type-A, a headphone jack, and a manual cutoff switch for the webcam. No SD card reader. So for all those photographers and video editors, that is a port that you'll be missing. Let's do a quick tap test. I do like how it's assembled so far. Top cover and bottom cover, no rattle, really snug, secure, good materials used. And check out how the side panel is hooked into the bottom cover here. Very well done. You can see that. Man, that's such a nice edge. No catchy edges. This definitely stands out to me as one of their more premium laptops that's assembled very well. Now, Lenovo has really proven itself to be an all-around awesome laptop builder over the past year. I've not picked up a single Lenovo laptop that I thought, this thing just isn't built really well. This continues to show off great build quality from Lenovo. Let's go ahead and open and close the lid, see if we can do that with one hand. Scoot it back a little bit there. There we go. Open and close the lid easily with one hand. Very nice. Let's go ahead and check out that screen flex. Minimal, if not zero screen flex. That's a really nice stiff screen. Man, that's great. As you can see, we have one long hinge here with two connection points on each side. This is a 16:10 aspect ratio screen. It's a 14-inch display. Is it a 2-in-1? Nope, but it opens up to a flat 180 degrees. And then one thing that I really was excited about with this laptop is the large trackpad. I like that they provided the large trackpad for us on this laptop. It really makes well for photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists on the go who don't want to bring a mouse. You have a really nice trackpad that you can use here. Now, it's saying that we have extreme performance and also rapid power. Let's see if we have any sort of nice performance settings in the Lenovo Vantage Center. Oh, this is the Ryzen 9 6900HS Creator Edition. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, watch out. All right, so I got into the power settings and I can see here we have extreme performance, intelligent cooling, and battery saving. That's a good sign. That means that you'll have some pretty good control over the fan modes and over the thermal management, and that will help you get better performance out of the laptop. And during the full review, I'll test the export times and the Photoshop benchmark on each of those settings to see how well the power is managed, the battery life is managed, etc. Now, taking a look at the keyboard, a very simplified keyboard deck here. It looks like we have speakers on each side of the keyboard deck. I'll confirm that during the full review if those are actually speakers or if they're maybe just some kind of vent or some sort. I will say the trackpad, as I'm clicking it, I don't love the click. The click feels kind of odd to me. Like it's a little damp, a little too dampened of a click. Like it's kind of like you got to really give a nice push to get a nice satisfying click. I don't know, I just don't love it. I don't love the mechanics of the trackpad on this specific model. Can't quite put my finger on it, but it just feels like I have to click a little harder to get it to activate than I normally would on another keyboard. It's just kind of an odd quirk to it. Like I said though, the keyboard, full-size keyboard, yes, those speakers are on the top here. That does sound really nice. Yeah, and there's no speakers on the bottom. So we'll do a full audio test during the review for that. But there is a webcam on this laptop. Here's a quick sample of the webcam so you can see what it looks like in use. This is the webcam on the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X, and a little sample of the audio for you as well. It seems like it really wants to be dark. I've got a light right in front of my face, and when I try and brighten it up, it just pulls it dark. And when I turn the light off, it seems to try and, counteract it, and then it wants to darken it. But I don't know, it's a little sensitive, and it leans kind of dark and a little on more of the orange and yellow tones rather than more the natural lighter blue tones. Lenovo has sent us 3 Legion 5 Pros to give away once we reach 100,000 subscribers. So if you've yet to subscribe to the channel, definitely do so. Once we pass 100,000 subscribers, we'll kick off a video talking about that giveaway. As you're making your way through the video, if you're curious about the exact pricing and availability of the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X, you can head down in the description below and click that link. Now, if you do click that link and make a purchase, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. But of course, that's what keeps this channel alive and the helpful content coming your way. Now, this laptop definitely seems to be setting itself up to compete against the Acer Swift X as well as the Asus Republic of Gamer X13. So keep an eye out on the channel for those head-to-head reviews. And if you want to see me put it against any other laptops, definitely comment below and let me know. All right, now let's go ahead and flip this laptop over, pull the bottom cover off, see what kind of upgrade path we've been provided for the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X. So as I pull the bottom cover off, we reveal the 70 watt-hour battery. As you can see, we do have an SSD that is upgradable as well as a Wi-Fi card, but no RAM upgrade on this laptop. So pretty similar to a lot of the smaller form factor laptops, not providing an upgrade path for the RAM. However, you do have access to this M.2 drive. Punch for punch, I really like how this laptop is put together. It has excellent build quality. It has a large trackpad for a 14-inch laptop, which definitely makes it a step above the X13 and the Acer Swift X. So if I was looking for a laptop for my on-the-go personal preference, I would lean towards this laptop because of that larger trackpad. However, I wasn't fond of how kind of squishy it felt, but I'm pretty sure I could get used to that over a couple of days. But just off my initial feel of it, it felt a little squishy. However, it is larger, which makes it a much more enjoyable experience when working without a mouse. So definitely a win there. Don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 100,000 subscribers. We can kick off the giveaway for the Lenovo Legion 5 Pros. Definitely drop a like if you've enjoyed this video. And of course, links in the description below if you want to make a purchase or check out the live pricing of the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X. I'll see you here in the next video.